Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're about to do the impossible. We're about to run Gears 5 on the PC. That doesn't seem very impossible, it's on PC. Anyway, today we're testing it out on the Intel Core i3-7100U with the Intel HT620. The only other computer I actually got this to work on, it doesn't work on the Iris 540 and definitely doesn't work on the Intel SG4600. We're running at 67% of 720p, which already ain't great. I wanted more. But everything's on low, and we're running with dual channel memory RAM of 16 gigabytes rather than the 8 gigabytes that I previously had done with single channel memory, which is a lot different. Won't make a difference, I guarantee you that, but nonetheless, we will try. We will definitely try. Sharpening ain't gonna help me. Nonetheless, let's get into it. Now, like I said, before I did test this out, on my Intel AC620 previously with the i5-7200U, wasn't running anywhere near as good as this. Trust me on that one. Now, because we have more RAM, and this time around, it's dual channel, so definitely going to increase the performance, even though the i3-7100U is trash at 2.4 gigahertz and no boost clock. But because of the dual channel memory RAM, we'll actually be able to play this at a stable frame rate. Like, I could frame cap this to 15 FPS and this would be enjoyable. That's how that works. Like, this looks terrible, but hey, it runs. I could not play this like this previously. And I do recommend you go check out that previous video where I ran only a single channel memory on the training course, and it was a disaster. This is beautiful. But once again, look at my CPU being pegged. The way it works is they're kind of similar, the CPU and GPU, but more than not, you're going to find that this is more of a CPU bottleneck than a GPU bottleneck, which is always unfortunate. But the extra RAM definitely does help. The 8 gigabytes definitely helps. You need the 16. You need at least 12 to run this on integrated graphics, I would say. And I still recommend dual channel memory RAM. Now, if you're wondering why I kind of feel like I'm vibing to the side, it's my controller. I feel like my right stick is having some issues, which is causing it to not be as responsive as I would like it to be. Unfortunately.
This is one hell of a way to come back to Azura.
But nonetheless, I am impressed with this performance. I thought this was going to end terribly. This is actually really well done. Like, even when the frame rate drops, look at it, I still managed to get so much performance out of it. Like, it barely dips. This is actually really impressive, to be honest with you. I am really impressed by this. And I'm never impressed by anything the i3 does.
Big plans are kind of Baird's specialty.
This is really good.
My father, before he died, he let Baird in.
This is for a low-end gamer. When you see a lot of things dropping, you get worried. You know, you see a lot of frame rates and stuff like that dropping. It's never a good sign. You see a lot of things falling around the place and you're like, oh damn, that sucks.
Could be useful.
That's not gonna end well. It's easy to worry. But with the dual channel memory RAM, I don't have that issue. Also, why isn't he going for the thing? Oh, I need to fully grab it. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, Javon, I feel like you're freaking out about this, but trust me, if you check out the first video of the single channel RAM, you would freak out too. Dual channel for the win. This went from being unplayable to playable with just extra RAM. It's still the same 620 and even weaker CPU, but it's more playable now. It's playable now. Impressive. Definitely impressive. I'm saying playable, but let's get into a firefight and see what happens. But yeah, this is playable. Dude, like I said, I used to play games at 15 FPS, dude. I beat Rise of the Tomb Raider on my channel at 15 FPS. Don't play with me. With a frame cap of 15 FPS the entire time. You know what realm pain is like? Low-end gamers, bro.
Okay, let's go.
But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more content. You see stuff like that dropping will drop this down to the single digits for single channel RAM. The fact that it barely dropped the performance at all is awesome. I really appreciate when you guys subscribe to the channel. I post a lot of benchmarks on the channel, so it helps me out a lot trying to be the best benchmark channel on YouTube. So yeah, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Die, alien scum. Haha. I want to be in a gunfight.
Right, let's take him out.
Because I want to see what the frame rate's like. You threw it down, but a bit too late, pal. I wasn't even paying attention to the active reload.
High ground on the left! Flank us!
And it's running. We are getting over frames of 15 FPS even when we are in a heavy combat scene.
Took him out.
I'd say it's running quite well. Now once again the CPU is a bottleneck, but not to that extent. The GPU is managing to handle itself quite well here. You can play this game on integrated graphics. The Intel AC620 for the win on this one, guys. It definitely runs. I kind of wish this ran on the Iris 540 as well. This would have been amazing to run here. But we are limited. For some reason, I just don't know. Maybe it's the drivers. I don't know. But it just doesn't work out. But we are getting 285 FPS on Gears of War 5, which is pretty impressive.
Hey, I think we can get down this way.
Hey, last time I had a glitch here. I couldn't get it through. You want to open it? You wanna, okay, you're telling me the hand? Got it. Lady, not time, Kate, not time to get no headaches. Girl, we got things to do.
Kate, these headaches.
I'm okay, alright? Let's just find asylum.
We don't got time for these headaches. You're damn right. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm really shocked by the performance I got here in this game today.
Too many active hives. Everywhere we go, another burial site's hatched. All the more reason to get the heck on.
Really excited by the performance here. This was beautiful. I mean, it's sometimes only going to hit to 30, but like I said, we would rather frame cap this to 15 FPS. You'd probably have a way smoother experience. You may even do 20 if you think 15 is a bit too low end, but it'll work. Dual channel RAM. You need 16 though. I would say 12 at least, but you want dual channels of 16 maybe. Is more common. 16 gigabytes of RAM and you can enjoy Gears of War 5 on integrated graphics. I now agree this is very optimized. I agree with that statement now. You can't tell with single channel RAM, but you can tell now, dude. Because remember I was talking about earlier that I could even carry on the resolution more? Look at this crap. I know that I could. I'll see you guys next time. Wait, you're still alive?